Hello, my lovely students. How are you today? I hope you are doing fine. Today we are going to learn 3D structure with Housing by Henry Matisse. He's an artist. He's a painter. Okay, we are going to learn this. Henry Matisse, he's an artist. And then we'll do our own self-portrait. I'm going to show you step by step, but before, let's say this is our poem. I'm going to share with you my screen. So, pausing is expressions with colors. That means everything with coloring. The materials, the marking versus colors as an emotion, blending. Even we can see blending like evidence. The Henry Matisse is applying the colors as they are. Green is green, blue is blue. So, Henry Matisse painting is heavy line drawings. For example, if he applied the colors, he is at the same time drawing, applying markers. So coloring and the drawing is Henry Matisse style that we are going to do the same. So this is our project that we are going to first drawing a portrait and then coloring like Henry Matisse. But first of all, let's prepare our materials. Which materials we are going to get? This I'm going to show you now. Check it out. So first of all, we are going to have A3 paper. I want you to have A3 paper, or if you don't have A3 paper, you can get A4 paper to upgrade it. How? How I am going to do that? For example, I do have A3 paper. I'm going to show you if you have A4 paper. Okay? Let's say you have A4 paper. How I am going to upgrade it to A3? So what you will do is apply glue on the line of the paper. But you need to make your paper as a portrait, not as landscape. You need to make your paper as a portrait. Okay? And then you'll stick them with each other to make as A3. That's it. My paper is A3 now, as you see. And then you need to have scissor, pencil, marker if you have, and then colors. I do have pastel crayons, as you see. I do have all the colors, but I'm going to use all the colors from here. That you can have colored pencils, or you can even have watercolors. So I do have also the carton paper, the heavy one, because we have the structure. Structure means cutting the paper and creating as a 3D. So as 3D, we can have this carton paper, or if you don't have, you can just stick the papers with each other to make the paper as a strong, to have like a carton paper. So the self-portrait is check out them. Self-portrait has the portrait has eyes, face, the shoulder, This is the self-portrait that we are going to do our own portrait. So follow this step. I am going to draw and you will draw with me step by step. First of all, draw an egg. Draw an egg on your paper. On the top of your paper, you are going to draw an egg. On the cover coming right now. Okay, so this is the finished one of portrait. But we don't need to do like that because we are going to color like Henry Matisse. He's an artist. He's a painter, right? So let's get started coloring, guys. I'm gonna show you how Henry Matisse colored the portrait. For example, I will show you one template from here, as you see. This is the template of the Henry Matisse portrait. As you can see, he applied the colors just as they are. For example, he applied the yellow here. He applied the green color here. Get started now. I am going to take my yellow color because I want to color like Henry Matisse, and I will take my green color. You can take the same colors, or you can do, as I told you, you can have the different colors, guys, because you will color exactly like Henry Matisse. So I will have also some orange color is here, and some, let's say, red color here, red, and some dark blue, light blue, and black color, some brown, red, orange. Wow! Henry Matisse, guys, he's taking a lot of colors. Really nice. Okay. Alright, so I finished. I'm done with my portrait. Now I'm going to portrait which I draw. Let me first portrait, finish portrait. Okay. All right, guys, look at that. So me, it's Henry Matisse portrait that I did, as you see. I did not color all well. You have to color all well perfectly, and then after that you will take the scissor. Then you will cut portrait from the line which you draw out of line. You will cut the paper just like me. After that, you're gonna take another papers to draw the arms. That we draw the portrait, color it, and then cut it, and then after that, you take another paper to draw arms. We can draw simple arms just like that, guys. I will just draw the little third line, and from here also, and the other lines will be the same. This will be our arms, okay? And then the clothes. Clothes, you can do any design you want. Or you can do the same design as your t-shirt that you draw before, and then you're gonna color them. So I will apply orange and red colors. Okay, so after you cut the hand, you are going to have two hands here. I can just cut them. Let me stop sharing this one so you will see exactly what I am doing. So guys, as you see, we have two hands. Now I'm gonna color this one also. I will apply first as a first step. Just use the primers like this is the formula of shortcut. Let's say shortcut to be faster, fast finishers. Red here, and then I will apply also black. Why? Because Henry Matisse, he's an artist, he's using colors with black lines. That's why I need to do the same. Because, I mean, for this project you need to do the same, but for other projects also you can do the same thing like Henry Matisse. So, I finished all my face, portrait, arms, and the hands. Now, what I will do, I will just stick my arm on this side just to make an over a little bit, see over the paper, and then apply the glue. I'm using liquid glue, so it will be more strong, more stable. See, I will just apply glue and then stick just like that. To make an over, you will have hand, arm, and then you can make the paper as a circular, to make our arms just like a hugging to myself. See, just like that. Okay, that's good enough. And now I'll be having another arm, do the same, and flip forward, and then press, hello, and then apply glue this side, stick it. Press, then it's going to stick, and then make it like a circle shape. Circle, just like that. And then you have like a hugging to myself, right? As I told you guys, I didn't color perfectly because I need to show you the finished project. Now I will have my hand to stick them. So how I am going to stick them is just like that, with arms. Okay. So I will apply glue here. Press. How you stick it? Press. Make sure that it sticks well. And the other side also, I'm going to do the same thing. Apply glue, and then to this side. Yes, just like that. And then Press, 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 and make sure that it sticks well. So I finished my all self-portrait composition with coloring and geometries. Now, what I will do, I'm going to take the cartoon paper. My cartoon paper will be, background will be red, or I can even take green. Why not? I don't have green cartoon paper also, so it's gonna be more clear. You can see clearly in the green paper when I do this composition. So what I will do is I am just going to stick on the template. This will be my template of my project. Okay? So I will apply glue on here, on my project. Okay, not here. Because if you apply glue here, maybe the project will go down, will go up, and we don't want this. So that's why I'm going to apply just on the portrait glue, glue. And then I just stick it. How you are going to stick? Press, press, press. Make sure that it sticks well. See, I'm pressing still because this is cartoon paper that must be strong. I'm just dancing. Okay, so I finished. Now I'm gonna show you how I did the 3D filing with I hope you enjoy. We are also going to draw the animals. You can draw this animal and color like an animal matrix and hold it with your hands. Okay. All right. So now I want you to just write what you learn about Henry Matisse and how did you participate? How did you feel? Okay, just write it down and share with me on our applications. And don't forget that I love you a lot. Take care of yourself. Enjoy your day. Bye.